Hello everyone, hopefully you all are doing fine. And so I am going to discuss here about the return in a function. Okay, why do we need to use return in a function? So first of all, let me say that what is return? Return is used in a function, that is the block of code, and when you return a function, the execution of the function is stopped immediately. So we will here make a function which you can find to the power of any value you want. Okay, perhaps it would have been nicer if I could show you this in perhaps on the DOM or visually, but later maybe. But as of now, we will make a function which can return a number and it's to the power. So first of all, let me say why you need to use return. So in many cases when you are using, you will not always use console. Yeah, for console you can test or check out many values for the console, but in real life scenarios you need to return many things, and slowly and steadily you will get to know the use of return. So as of now, let us make a function. Okay, let us show you something like function number to the power. Okay, so here if we run return a plus b, okay, and assign two arguments, two parameters, and if I now beneath, if I want to write console log and suppose hello, you see, as I said, the execution of the function is stopped immediately, means unreachable code detected. You can't print anything after this. Okay, so now you can do something like this. Okay, so let us write function a b, which is, this is the number. You can do like 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 8, and number to the power 2, and suppose you want 2 to the power 3. Okay, so here you will get 8. Now if I run this script, I won't get the result, and you see I don't get anything because I need to put it inside a variable. Yes, you can do that in JavaScript. So let const result equals to this. Okay, and now you have to console log this. So couldn't we have done it that way, just doing it directly inside like console log a2? Yes, you could have done that, but in many cases you will understand the use of return while you work directly more with frameworks, more with other things. We can't do everything inside a console. Okay, so now if I run this script, you see I get 8. And if I again run do something like to the power, this is the number and this is to the power. Okay, to the power to that specific number. Okay, so if we again run this, you see you get 32. So this thing is very easy. So if you want that, if you want to print to the power of any number, you just need to do this. So I hope that you guys are now clear with what is a return. It's used inside a function, and the execution of the function is stopped immediately. And to find the value of which returns the, so here we return the power. You can return a plus b, you can return addition of two numbers, you can return multiplication of two numbers, you can even return subtraction of two numbers. So that is like that is it for this. And you can also like, so we made a function which returns a number and it's to the power. Okay, so if it's a bit difficult, just go through it once and this is very easy, and you can do a plus b, a minus b, so you can do anything. So I believe that is very much it for now, and you hope you understand why we use return here. So in the next tutorial, we'll be going to ES6 functions, that is how you can write a fat arrow function. And now we know how to write a function. Now we know what are arguments, what are parameters, and we know the use of return value. If you know this as of now, you're totally fine. Okay, so I believe these things are very easy in JavaScript and in some other languages too. So, but your concept needs to be crystal clear before going on to do heavy work. So that's very much it, and this is very much it. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.